Welcome to BotBee. We're excited to announce that the AI reply feature has been implemented on BotBee. Now you can use AI reply on your WhatsApp and Telegram bot. In this video we will show you how to use AI reply effectively. AI component could be used anywhere in the chat bot. First, let's go to the bot manager from the dashboard. Select the bot account for which you want to create the bot. Then select bot reply, just click on the create button, it will take you to the visual flow builder. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow, let's add a trigger word, put keywords you can use multiple keywords separating them by comma. Drag the AI component from the dock menu, connect it with the Start Bot Flow, double-click on the AI component, here we will have to train the AI to respond accordingly, let's write the training data. That's all. We can use any reply on the next. Let's add an image reply after it. Finally, save the bot. Let's test the bot reply. Yes, the AI has generated a reply based on the training data. We can also use the AI reply for no match bot reply, and this is going to be really helpful. If nothing is matched, then the AI will start replying to the message. It will reply just like ChatGPT does. In Bot Manager, select the action buttons, and then select the no match. By default there is a text reply. Just remove the text reply. Drag the AI reply and connect it with the StartBot flow. Double-click to write the training data. Click Save button. We must enable the no match reply from the configuration. Let's go to Configuration. Enable it. Go down and hit the Save Changes button. Now let's check the no match reply. Yes, it's working perfectly. The bot will answer for any kind of queries. By using the AI reply we can take our WhatsApp and Telegram bot to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.